day 5. Chaotic. There's a pipe leaking behind the wall, so the room's flooded. So they've got to move us. We've had an emergency last minute pack. We don't know where the stuff's going. They've got mixed messages off the hotel. But I'm happy to see you lot. Volcano Bay. Oh, it's been a nightmare this morning, but it's all right. It's all good. There's a flood in the room, so we're basically roomless now. Had an emergency pack. I was going to miss Volcano Bay, but I thought, nah, sod that. I'm doing it anyway. So everything's at about 1 million carrier bags. Am I getting on this? Volcano Bay. Yeah, it looks like I am. No, not going. Even though it's got Volcano Bay written on it. It's annoying. My day's got to get better, innit? Yeah, baby, it's getting better. Right, lockers. Hello, Volcano. Now, because of the palaver that I've had this morning, I've missed the early entry. So, we're still going to smash it, haven't we? Oh, I'm jumping in the rapids. I'm on. Hello, big pirate ship. Sorted. Let's go. Oh, I'm a water baby. I love getting in the water. I've been looking forward to this since I got on that plane. What a geezer. Just jumping in there. Oh, yeah. Now I'm on holiday. Got 30 minutes on the tackle to Krakatoa. I've done all the other rights. Krakatoa is 30 minutes away, so I thought I'd doss it in. Show you a bit of the park. This is great doing nothing, just floating. Oh, look at me with this. Look, I look special now, aren't I? Special aid. Halloween Horror Nights was good. And a bit pants at the same time. It's nobody's fault. It was such a bad thunderstorm last night. Hang on, I'll show you afterwards. That's fun, isn't it? I love it when you can play like a little kid. Oh, this place is brilliant for that. These rapids are the best thing in it, I love them. I'm having fun now. After the mission this morning, with the leaky pipe and the soaked carpet, they're sorting it out back at the hotel. Oh, this is such fun. I'm going to go under these two. I'm getting hammered on the head. woke me up. Oh, come on in, dudes. More rapids. I'm getting louder, this is good fun. Come on, let's go. Only 20 minutes now to Krakatoa, baby.
What's over there?
What, love? Me don't know. Oh, big rapid bit round the corner again. Oh, flying around here today, aren't we? Get the room sorted out, room moved when we get back. Dry carpets. Ooh. You pay £2 for a dry carpet, don't you, for a week? Whoop, whoop. I'm sure they'll make it good. I'm cheered up now. Oh, I was a bit down in the dumps earlier. Rapids, I said to you. Keeps you right up. I was proper down as well. I think I'm missing Kaylin, that's what it is. Hello mate, if you're watching this. Been thinking about you every day. That's what dads do. We have to go off and play though sometimes. But I'm bringing Kaylin out in December. So it'll only be, what month we're in? September. I've got to count the rapids have done with braining. October, November. It's 3.5 months, mate, and me and you are going to be out here with the mistiness. Love you, Kaylin. Love Dad. People always tell me I'm not 6 foot tall. Am I having it? Actually, it's 4 foot. So if this is 4 foot, well, I'm 2 foot taller than that, aren't I? Because that would be 5 foot. 6 foot's it. Damn 6 foot. All naysayers. Someone's got a butt. We're back around here again. I get more, I love that. I'm sure it'd give me an headache, but I'm not bothered. Do it again. Go again. How long we got on the tappy tappy? Can't see. Hang on. 20 minutes. You said 20 minutes. 20 minutes ago. You working properly. What's most probably happened is because I need glasses and I got shades on and I got rapid eyes, I can't read it because I'm an idiot. Krakatoa, baby. Right, we've done our 5 laps. There's some dodgy air going on. Don't worry about it. That's Mappa Pui and Pui Tui and have a Pui and enjoy it. Something like that. Hello, Volcano. Right, let's get out. Right, life vests for every size. I'll get the biggest one because I'm big. This is one of the only rides at the back where there's a lift. So if you've got a knee injury like me, 88 stitches in that bad boy, and your knee's not up to it, or whatever disability, you can get the lift up to the top of that one. There's only 2 rides in it. There's that one and another one which I can't remember. But if you are physically impaired, there are 2 rides you can go on without having to go up the steps. That's nice of a minute. Definitely not that big drop tower thing though. Hello. We were just in that. He's having a doss. Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. Yeah, the rapids is where I do most of the filming when you're in here because you can't really do it anywhere else. Everyone knows how this tappy works, doesn't it? Happy. Keep giving it when you walk in. It holds your line in place. So what I did this morning, little tip, is go walk straight over to Krakatoa. It was quite busy and I was late with the room fact. So I tapped in, then Spend 15 minutes going to find a locker and getting changed, cramming it all into the small one. $10 is. Now, I can't remember which locker's mine. Hang on. I know I'm ugly. Don't worry about it. I'm telling you stuff. It's definitely not here because I spoke to that young lady before. She said I was in the wrong place. Hello, Volcano Bay. Oh, lazy river. And a frog. So yeah, hold your line in place. That's it. There's wakeboards everywhere. I'm sure I've run through this loads and other videos. You have to excuse me, I'm looking rather. I'm wearing a t-shirt for two reasons. One, nobody, and I mean nobody, wants to see me with my top off. And two, don't want to get sunburned. Is it one of those t-shirts that stops you getting a sunburn, AD? I've got no idea, but I'll wear it anyway. It's one I use in the lakes. Dries stick quick. Best ride in here. That's my favourite, that blue one. That's called, I don't know, a Haka Waka Doody. Hang on, Hona Ikamona Raft Slide. One's called the green one, one's called the blue one. And there's a ride in the corner that sounds like, do you want a pooey? Have a pooey. Oh. Poor people dossing. I never go and do this, so, because I think it's boring. And I'm always running around like a 5-year-old.
Hello, that's all done now. Shower's here. Got the soap. Hang on. See, you don't need to bring a shower here with you. Oh, that's well. That was too much of me. Let's get this.
Bye bye Volcano Bay and the beach and the private cabanas and the rides and all that nonsense. Right now, don't I? I'm well cheered up after the aggro of the pipe leak. See you later, dude. We've got stuff to do. Scooby. Ooby dooby, Scooby wooby. Right, I've had a ton of laughs. Bye bye Volcano Bay. Let's go and get the room sorted out. Crack on with our adventures. And don't forget to return this. Otherwise you get nicked. In you go. Cheers, thank you. All these big alarm things go off. Woo, 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 woo. And you get nabbed by the sheriff who sits outside. Who's on a coffee break today? Oh, that's been a good laugh, isn't it? I needed that to cheer me up. Missing Caleb's down the dumps a bit. It's good fun here. That took 3 hours. I did all the rides, I think bar one. My own private bus. I feel like a king. King Charles. Oh yeah, the Queen died. Sorry about that. Bit sad, isn't it? We have a new king. King Charles. Named after a spaniel. Although I was told that the dog was named after a king. I'm sure the dogs have been around forever. I don't know. I've got something in the eye. If I'm struggling with that, I can't suss out kings and queens. It's not my job. Oh. This is the view. There's a star flyer, Icon Park Orlando. Some big pond. 2 big trees. Oh, Volcano Bay. Right, buy room. Let's get a new room. All this bit here is saturated. So what happens is, if you've got socks on, they're ruined. You've got to get dry socks, which is annoying. And also when you walk on the carpet here, and then you go onto here with bare foot, you then slip and nearly break your neck. And it was also minging. So what I'm going to do is do the towel test. Clean towel. Put it on the floor. We did this to dry it up. And these towels were covered up brown. Well, they've obviously not anymore because they... Alright dudes, welcome back to Halloween Horror Nights. Second go. Oh come on. It's lashing it down again. It is lashing down. It is absolutely a hooning down. Can we get in here? I'm hoping, please despicable me. Because it's dry. Drown rats. Yeah, look alright. No, never mind. Oh, Struth, that was a run and a half. It is hooning down. Hooning. Do you want me up here today or out here? Out there. Tough.
You want to know who is my favorite minion? So, you're all here because you want to work for me. I usually take this time to interview new recruits one at a time, but I'm working on something really big today. So I'm going to have to do this kind of quick. Hello, I'm Gru. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question. And thank you.
There's Optimus. I'm well excited for tonight, at least we're in here. I've got nothing to say. That's a first, isn't it? I've got nothing to say. My mum will be well happy. First time in his life, he's shut up. She don't really talk like that. Yeah, she does. He's always talking, waffling on. Shut up, mum. Hang on. Stay in scream area, straight up. It's only us heading in this direction. Is everybody else going up there and then going, nope, go another one? I don't know. We're in. Bom 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 bim bom bom bom. Hey, yeah. Where are we? I know where we are. By the Irish pub. I know where we are. By the Irish pub, isn't it? Well, the houses are up there, down that way. So if we go down there and we start queuing, spend all night queuing, then put in your panties. Right, going in the first house of the night, Halloween. Michael Myers in Halloween? The bloke from Austin Powers. Did he play the bloke in Halloween as well? I think so. Anyway, first house. Some TV people. I don't know who they are. Do you know that? That's too close, that, isn't it? I need to get you back there. Well, that's the exit for the Halloween. There's a bit in the end of there, but there's about 10 Michael Myers all stood still and there's mirrors. And both of the blokes in there, both of the dudes in there got me cacking it. Was it good fun? Yeah, that was brilliant, that. I don't know, I say brilliant. Smile from there to there. I love it. This is such good fun. I've been there. I have. I didn't get any books out from there. I did. I never took it back. Some naughty like that. About 10 of them got me. That big scary tiger lion thing. I shit me pants when that jumped out. That was brilliant. Brilliant. I'm loving it. That took 5 minutes to go. Ooh, toilet. I need a poo. Rip Ride Rocket. That makes me want to have a poo. Dead Man's Pier, off we go. That's my least favourite house there. I only got about 2. I think the 3 times I jumped in that house, there was nothing to jump at. I mean, nothing made me jump. I was making myself jump. I walked around the corner and saw a big crate with some fishing nets on it. That made me jump. And there were 2 other things like that. I mean, I saw 3 times I jumped at nothing. Like a pleb. No scare actors out yet, still lashing it down. Queues inside the Fast and the Pants. It's so packed. Big trucks. You can't see anything right by. That was in 2 parts, that Blobhouse one. The first part was Weren't that good? Second part's cacking it. That was brilliant. Second bit, wasn't it? Some phone thing. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I was pooing my pants too much. Raining a bit harder. I know you like the weather updates. Look. El lashing downio. This is the fourth house we've done on the trot with about a 5-minute wait. Don't know why I'm doing that. Look. There's nothing else here, mate. Look. Nothing. That was really good fun. There was a spidery bit and there was bugs bit. And it wasn't so much the scare actors, it was all the cobwebs and stuff hanging down. It was fun. I pooed myself. Made me jump loads. I walked into the wall, that made me jump. What's that say? Ow, honey. We did 5 houses in an hour and a half, that's good. But it's lashing down, there's no scare actors out. It's sopping wet. So we've got another 2 visits to go, yeah? We've got 3 houses left to do, and then see the scare zones. We're splitting it up this year over the 5 nights instead of getting the express pass and hammering everything every night. Weather's not been up for it either. No, the weather's not been good. But we can't control that. All we can do is hold this camera out there, so I'm not up here, I'm there. But loads of people are piling in. And I fancy a Papa John's cheese pizza. I'd love to get one of them, but I don't pay £5 for a donut. Remember, pack of 5, 60p, Morrison's. Bumpy mug of tea, lovely jubbly. I had to change my top, soaking. Just want to say thanks for coming along tonight. On Arcadia, oh, shattered. That was brilliant though, wasn't it? What a good night. We did, I've got to be quiet, shh, because it's late. We did 5 hours in an hour and a half. How good's that? That was wicked.